Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory herb that's been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments. This root, which is a cousin to ginger, is native to Southeast Asia and sometimes called Indian saffron because of its beautiful golden color. It also gives curry powder its yellow pigment. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, has been extensively studied for its disease-fighting potential and preventive health benefits. Inflammation is a root cause of many health conditions like metabolic syndrome, heart disease, and even cancer. Turmeric inhibits the production of pro-inflammatory genes, blocking the inflammatory response pathway. While curcumin is not absorbed that well into the bloodstream, consuming it with black pepper enhances absorption, thanks to a substance in the pepper called piperine. The anti-inflammatory benefits of curcumin may help ease joint pain. Turmeric and curcumin to manage pain and inflammation associated with arthritis. Curcumin and turmeric have been shown to protect your heart in numerous ways, like improving endothelial function and reducing inflammation and free radical damage. Curcumin's impact on BDNF has also been shown to have potential use in depression treatment by reversing detrimental brain changes that occur in depression. Curcumin has been studied for its potential to boost brain health by increasing and supporting healthy levels of a hormone called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which plays a key role in long-term cognitive function. How much turmeric should I consume? If you're not looking to incorporate the golden spice in your meals, turmeric supplements, which contain turmeric extract, are also available. In general, turmeric powder is about 3% curcumin, and extracts are about 95% curcumin. While most clinical research studies look at turmeric extracts, consuming half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon or about 2.5 to 5 grams of turmeric powder with food per day has been associated with health benefits. But even smaller amounts, we're talking between 500 and 2,000 milligrams or about 15 to 60 milligrams of curcumin, may also provide some benefit.